So today I'm here at Shoes of Hollywood and we've got a special pair today. We have the Bejeweled brand here and I'm just going to show you guys. So already here we have ankle cuffs, so that's super exciting. And we have so much bedazzles. So, how many are on here? 11,600 rhinestones on both of these heels. And these ones are 8 inches. I love 8 inches because I am a shorter girl. So, 8 inches work for me. And these are just gorgeous. If you love sparkles and bedazzles, you will love these. Now I am used to the ankle straps, but we'll see how these go. And of course we can't forget the little ankle cuffs. These are my ideal wedding shoes. I love them so much. I feel $1 million. So let's take them for a little walk. So I'm just going to take off my ankle cuffs. I'm going to have one last look at these shoes, these beautiful shoes. Again, the 11,600 rhinestones, all put on by hand. And these are the 8 inches, but they do come in 6 inch and 7 inches. If you would prefer much shorter heel, but I do love the 8 inches. Unfortunately though, the 8 inches doesn't come with an ankle strap. I am usually used to the ankle strap, but in 6 inches and 7 inches they do come with the ankle strap. But just with the 8 inches, they have these ankle collars for a more cleaner line, for a more cleaner look. So really accentuate the skin on your ankles. So yeah, there you have it, the Bejeweled 812 series there. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Bye!